Hi, my name is Michelle Gibson, and I will be completing my second field placement at a local health clinic. It's actually a medical health clinic, so it's not primarily counseling. And actually, I will be doing a little bit of program development in that regards. There is not currently a counselor or social worker there, so this is kind of a new program that the clinic is wanting to have at the clinic. So it's part of a hospital district, and I have been the social worker for the home health and hospice agency within the district. So that's how I'm kind of plugged in with the health clinic. As far as what I'm hoping to get out of this field experience, I'm just really hoping to get a more clear general idea of what counseling looks like. With all of our courses, we've kind of had glimpses here and there, but I'm really hoping that this field experience will really tie everything together and just really make everything just a little bit more cohesive. As well as I'm hoping to have a better understanding of how to form a treatment plan and how to set goals and objectives. That's something that was a little bit lacking in my first field placement, and not something we've spent really any time on in our coursework, and certainly something that's going to be an important part of my field placement, but something that I feel a little bit uneasy about still. As far as how this is going to be different than the first one, it's going to be completely different. In the first one that I was at, it was just at a community mental health agency, and it was a fantastic experience, but because of the policies of the agency, I wasn't able to have any clients of my own. I was able to shadow practitioners and watch them interact with people. I was able to participate in some group work, but I wasn't able to carry a caseload of my own clients. So this one's going to be completely different in that I will have my own caseload of clients, and I will be entirely responsible for doing the assessment, the treatment planning, the plan of care, all of that. So this one's going to be way more interactive. It's going to be a lot more pressure, but I'm super excited about it. I'm super excited to just jump in and get all of these pieces tied together and finish up this part of school.